Some new questions are arising in the RG court case after giving the lifetime imprisonment to the sole accused person. There was a question that a DNA was found on the body of the victim. But the question is how it's possible. Today I came with some information about this. All the confusion in the autopsy, and due to this, the Shialda court believes that the DNA of another woman has been found in the body of a doctor who was the victim at Arjikon Medical College and Hospital. The copy of the lowest court verdict states that the DNA sample found in the victim's body matched that of Sanjay Roy, a former civic volunteer of the Kolkata police or the sole accused. Along with this, a very small DNA sample of a woman was also found. Based on that, the victim's family claimed that there were others at the crime scene. But the court said that the evidence found only the Sanjay was involved in the rape and murder of the Arjikon. The possibility of anyone else being involved can be easily dismissed. And how a woman's DNA sample was found on the victim's body is also explained in Shialda Court's judgment copy. The court said that the sample collected from the victim's nipple matched Sanjay's DNA 100%, based on the slight presence of another woman's DNA sample. The doctor's family alleged that a woman was also involved in the incident. She is being covered up. In that situation, Judge Anirban Das said that he examined the video of the autopsy to unravel the mystery of DNA. In the autopsy video, he saw that the bodies of other women were kept on the floor. The tray on which the victim's autopsy was performed was not sterilized. Dom did not change the gloves or apron before collecting the sample. The knife or scissors used for the autopsy were not sterilized. That is, the judge said that specific rules were not followed during the autopsy. According to him, there is no infrastructure to conduct an autopsy according to the rules. In such infrastructure, the doctors have no choice but to conduct an autopsy. It is clear that the video and that there is a possibility that the sample that has been collected has been contaminated. And for this reason, the judge felt that the blame should not be placed on the doctors. The copy of the verdict states that the investigating agency had argued the contamination of the sample was reported by Shoma Roy, Assistant Director and Scientist C Biology of the Central for Science Laboratory. In that situation, the victim's family claimed that the sample was deliberately contaminated to hide someone else. The judge said that in the view of those arguments, the court job is to determine whether the samples were deliberately contaminated. And after examining all aspects, he is not accepting the allegation made by the victim's family against the autopsy doctors. He is also rejecting the argument that Sanjay was not involved in the rape and murder.